Okay, here's a demonstration of my app that I made. It's a Chrome extension. So let's just say you're on YouTube and you watch educational videos. And since you see like this, you want to learn about quicksort. So here's the top video in quicksort. So you can go about watching it and gives you a good explanation of what quicksort is. So my thought is, wouldn't it be nice if you can actually be tested or questioned off of this video? So I made this Chrome extension. Typically, the icon's red, but since it's green, that says, "Hey, there's questions for this quicksort video." So let's check it out. And preface: the front end of my app is very, very minimal right now. It's just an MVP app getting it working. But as you can see, there's different questions here. Like what is the runtime of quicksort? Is it log_n? Nope, incorrect. That's right, it's nlog_n, and then you get correct. But you can see how if you can pretty this up a lot more, make it a better UI. You can have any sorts of questions. Right now, it just does multiple questions, multiple choice questions. But yeah, and you can also add another question too from here. I'll open up, and you can create a question for this app, which I can show you. So let's just say you got done watching this video.
In our previous lesson,
but it didn't turn green, so that means you still can click it, but you can create a question for it. Like I said before, so you can say, what is the runtime of quicksort? And then you can add more choices, but I code it so you can only add 4. Let's just say let's make it, no. Well, in this instance, it can just be, you get the picture. So, and then you can choose the correct answer. I should probably have something that says correct answer toggled. And then you submit the question, and after you're done, it'll bring you to the questionnaire at this point. And that's about it. If anything else, I was going to add upvotes and downvotes for each question. So when you do hit a question URL like this, the top ones will get ranked first, and you can upvote and downvote them. But I haven't gotten there yet. So, and that's about it. So, and then the other part is, so yeah, ideally you just go on YouTube and you learn. After learning something, you can do either like test your knowledge, any way of different testing of questions. I can make more different ones, but then you can go to a home page, and right now my Brubba is my username, and this would just display the information of your activity. Users, for instance, you could just have like users weekly, monthly activity. You could have a GitHub style calendar if it's green and red of activity, a feed of the last questions, or different metrics to see how, like, what you're doing, how smart you are. Because the whole idea is just whenever you do something smart on the internet, there should be a place to test it, what you just learned, and to react to it, and to archive it, and to measure it in a portfolio. So that's about it.